New tonight, the family of a 10-year-old North Mississippi boy who was detained and charged after urinating in a parking lot has retained an attorney. The lawyer saying the time is up for Tate County to do the right thing.
WREG's Shay Arthur spoke to them about what they want to happen.
Tonight, the attorney for that family says they're putting the city of Senatobia on notice, giving them 2 weeks to respond and act to a list of demands, or they're filing a federal lawsuit. This comes as the mother of that 10-year-old little boy describes the trauma they now deal with every day since that incident.
My son did not deserve that. Nobody kid deserved it. Not only my child, I would feel the same way if that was somebody else's child.
Mother Latanya Eason stands shoulder to shoulder with her attorney, Carlos Moore, and her 10-year-old son, Quatavius Eason. The trio gathered with a group at the Tate County Courthouse this afternoon with a message.
We are calling for full transparency, full accountability.
This comes after this picture was taken on August 10th. Quatavius in the back of a Senatobia PD squad car. The child was with his mother as she sought legal advice at a law office when he needed to use the restroom. Moore says there was a sign at the business saying no public restroom. So the boy relieved himself close to his mother's car in the parking lot outside.
You could not see anything indecent at all.
Latanya says she was contacted by a Senatobia police officer who was nearby, and she told her son not to do that again. She says the officer said she handled the situation. She thought it was over, but more officers showed up and things escalated.
And so they had him put his hands behind his back, and they put him in a patrol car and took him downtown Senatobia, and he calls it a cage. Put this boy in a cage for 45 minutes to an hour because he relieved himself on private property.
Quatavius is now looking at a pending juvenile charge.
They have charged him as a young child in need of supervision.
As far as the officer's status with the department, do you know exactly?
The police chief simply has said that the officer is no longer with the department. He has not used the word termination.
Tonight, the family is calling for the officer to be formally terminated, as well as his name released, a public apology, the charge against Quatavius dropped, and an undisclosed monetary payment.
I'm gonna fight to the end. I'm gonna fight to the end.
Shay Arthur, WREG, News Channel 3.
Determined family and Eason and Moore also questioned if the same situation would happen to a white child. We reached out to the Senatobia Police Department, but we haven't heard back so far. The chief has previously called the case an error in judgment.